What's going on? My name is Zac Holcomb with Additive America. Today I'm here to show you a lot of really cool 3D printed color parts that we've been printing on our HP Multijet Fusion 580 machine. That's right, this is the machine that allows you to print in PA12 nylon, but you're able to put a whole bunch of fancy schmancy colors on top. So what I'm going to show you today, some of the parts that have already been done, and then we've taken these parts, they come out kind of pastel looking, a little bit like this one here. So you got blue and green bubbles with a little pug on there. That's Piper, that's the pug. You got this deal, this is how it comes out of the printer here, and then we run it through the Post-Pro 3D machine that you'll notice right here. This is ours, it's not quite hooked up yet, but we're getting there. So the fine folks at AMT have been running parts for us in the meantime to help kind of fill the gap. So what you'll notice here, a lot of the parts have this nice little shiny finish on them. And what is cool about that is it locks the colors into the part and it gives it a nice smooth finish. So it looks more like an injection molded part and a little bit less like a 3D printed part. It also gives you the resiliency and the toughness that you would expect from an injection molded part, but it does all those things while giving you the ability to do short run production with full color and all that fun stuff. So we've been using this to put QR codes, to put pictures. There's a product that we have where we have full blown images that we've taken in and put back onto the parts. So that's some of the cool stuff that we're able to do with it. Again, just a lot of other parts that we're able to make nice. A little bit of UV protection for a hitch cover, custom branded. Little cup holder for your switch controller, so when you spill, it just runs right off. But that's again some of this cool stuff that you can do with the AMT machine and the HP 580 color machine when you pair the two together, and that's what we're doing here at Additive America. So just wanted to share some of those things with you today. If you have an instance where you think you might need products printed in full color with a nice little vapor polish or vapor smooth finish, let us know. You can get a hold of us anywhere, but info@additiveamerica.com, or you can give us a call or shoot us a text at 252-549-0247. Yes, we picked the 0247 part on purpose because we're open 24/7. Hit us up. Thank you very much. Check out our other videos here on YouTube, and catch up with you next time.